truck.
We scared.
Looks like we scared them over there. I wonder what he's doing.
Mic check po.
That's the PA system of the fire truck.
Operational yan po. Makakomplete tayo dito.
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, the guard just called us out. He said that everyone's gonna.
You're incoming to next Saturday?
No, I don't know. I need to check my schedule po.
Yes. Okay.
So, what sort of equipment do you have on your fire truck? Yes. Can I try the lights po? Lights.
Lights?
Yeah.
No. Because you're residents.
Huh? Yeah.
Lights lang yan, lights.
Yeah, yung lights lang.
Makapagalitan tayo ng residents.
Oh yeah, I think so. Well, kasi ang sobrang didim yung lights po. Yung sobrang bright.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Yes, so
to next Saturday, and then open the lights.
yes, and I wonder if next Saturday you can open the siren also.
Okay. No problem.
Yes, so do you know where you can open the siren? Like if you cannot disturb the village?
I don't know. What's the open the light?
Yes. I see you got a rope there. So, excuse me, meron po, yung SCBA. Walang SCBA mo, ikaw, right?
Like go to inside.
Okay. Yes, can you turn off the engine po? Oh no, they're gonna complain to us, aren't they?
It's a complaint to the residents.
Yeah. Oh no. Looks like everybody hates me. Let's get out of the fire truck. He scared everybody with a fire truck. Hey. Ow. We tested out the PA of the fire truck. AAVA. Okay. Woo. What are they talking about us over there? Says, can I go to the other side and I want to see the ito ang ladder, right?
No sir, no ladder.
Yun ang ladder po, right?
Yes.
Yung rescue ladder?
No sir.
Anong ladder yan? Yan.
Ah. Nandiyan doon sa body cam? Isa lang yung sa akin dyan. Ayan. Ayan lang ang akin. Nasaan? Oo ko sa'yo. Hindi yung body cam mo.